Where's he leading us?
You guys doing today?
Good.
You Cubs fans, wait till next year. We're going again. Okay. This is pretty much where we start off every day. We start off at 4 o'clock in the morning, unload material. These barges hold roughly 1,500 tons of material. This material comes out of Romeoville. The barges bring it up. All these barges are loaded with a crane. That crane has a 5-yard bucket on the end of that green tip that goes down to the ground. It's loaded into that hopper. That hopper right there travels these rails. It takes roughly about 15 minutes for that hopper to empty out onto this belt. For that hopper to empty out. And our belt system is 1, 2 all the way upstairs, and 3 covers all 7 silos. I have a tape measure, so I roll a tape measure. So when my tape measure goes down, I got a weight on the end. When it hit material, I feel the weight, I look down, it tells me 45 feet down, I got 45 feet. Then I got another silo that's 15 to 20. I'm gonna go jam that up. Then I'm gonna go jam this up. Then I'm gonna go eat. It is gravity field. Everything goes up there, it's gonna go down. Your next step, they got gates. When they open the gates, it's gravity field. Boom, right out of the gate. And that's gonna be controlling the plant. And they got systems up there that lets them know when they've gotten enough, a light goes on. And when the light goes on, the gate comes up, kills the material.
Some pretty cool looking stuff here at Prairie Material, high grade concrete.
All our work on the first line, all that's got to be. This is my machine. I go into the barge. I have hooks up here. He hooks up with the cable. Lifts and puts me into the barge. And this is what I clean everything up.
Group's taking off on us. I don't want to get stuck down here forever if the drips. All right, let's go. Oh. Made it out alive.
See the very top screen up there? Yeah. Those are the bins. That's where the material goes in. Then when I press start on the mix that's up here, it'll weigh up what it needs. And it'll go to the weigh boxes, like to the scales. Then that releases into the mixer. But here at this yard, we have probably 5,000 different mix designs. Any given day, we probably use 50 to 60 of them. Right here is the material board.
Okay.
Now, if you guys notice, right here is where you guys started your tour by the river.
Right.
So this is where the barges are. So it'll go from there to the top of the silos. These are all the silos.
Right.
That's where how all the material gets in there, and then you guys walked under here, under these 2 belts. And then you came out, all these belts, you know, are the ones that, the big one that comes up here, and that's how they get up into those bins.
Coming out of Prairie Material, and I kind of parked in a dicey spot, so Flex is still here. Usually abide by the law and the signage of no parking, but parking's tight over here. A lot of people at Prairie Material. A lot busier than I thought it was going to be. A lot of people here hanging out, checking out how to make concrete. Maybe it sounds exciting, maybe it doesn't, but I've always wanted to check this place out ever since it's been on Open House Chicago, and I know they've been on here for a couple of years, and finally got to check it out. It was really cool. If you ever get a chance to check it out, how concrete's made, you actually get to go into some of the rooms, see some of the conveyor belts. It was really cool, and watch out for those no parking signs.